Nick Rudder for the McKee 37 Trademark Garage. If there's one thing that all cars have in common, it's that they're plagued by pesky bug splatter. Whether you have a daily driver where you travel on the interstate daily, or if you have a weekend toy and you go down your favorite winding road, you're gonna get bugs on the front end of your vehicle. Now the issue with this is bugs are acidic. So as you're driving through the road, bugs are gonna splat on the front end, and immediately they're going to start breaking down, and if not properly removed, they will cause permanent damage to your precious thin clear coat because they are acidic. They will etch the surface, creating a crater, which the only way to fix that, if you're lucky, is to mechanically abrade it with a compound. So when your vehicle's covered in bugs, you want to reach for our McKee 37 Roadkill Bug Remover. This is an intense cleaner that safely removes the stubborn bug remains without compromising your vehicle's clear coat finish. It contains a special enzyme that immediately breaks up and dissolves the bug splatter so it can be safely washed away using the McKee 37 Roadkill Bug Scrubber. Now this sponge, it's unlike any other. It's fantastic. It contains a unique honeycomb structure that when dry is really coarse and aggressive feeling. However, when you soak it in a bucket of water, like our Extreme Foam Formula Auto Shampoo, it softens it up considerably, and the honeycomb texture will gently shave off the bug splatter without having to scrub. Now both of these products are safe and effective on all hard exterior surfaces. Paint, chrome, glass, wheels, and anything else that's hard on the outside of your vehicle. Now to use this, you want to make sure the paint is cool to the touch. Take the Roadkill Bug Remover after you've placed your bug scrubber in a bucket of soapy water, and just go ahead and saturate the affected areas with the cleaner. Let it dwell for a minute or two, and then take your sponge out of the bucket, and very gently you're going to go back and forth, and you'll see the bugs disappear. Make sure you rinse your sponge often, that way you always have a clean working surface. Now after you've taken care of all the bugs, rinse it off. Now, the bug splatter at this point has already started to affect the protective coating on your vehicle, whether it's a wax or a sealant or a ceramic coating. I always follow with McKee's 37 Hydro Blue. This is an SiO2 spray-on rinse-off nano coating that blankets your vehicle with a high-gloss, slick shell of protection. Now, this is especially convenient for this process because after you've removed the bugs and you've rinsed the cleaner off while the paint's still wet, you're simply going to spray this on and rinse it off. It's going to reinforce the protection while adding its own protective coating. It's really cool how it works. When you spray it on, it immediately bonds to the paint. And when you rinse it off, it blankets it with these nanoglass ceramic particles that leave the surface glossy, smooth, and well protected. When it comes time to remove stubborn bug splatter, you simply can't beat McKee's 37 Roadkill Bug Remover, the Roadkill Bug Scrubber, and Hydro Blue SiO2 coating. I'm Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage.